Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write an apology letter to teacher. What is an apology letter to teacher? An apology letter to teacher is a written acknowledgement of how the student's behavior or words adversely affected teacher or other students. It can be used to make amends in both personal situations for a mistake. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write an apology letter to teacher step by step. Check this out. First thing first, you need to write the date of the letter. In this case is October 9, 2023. And then, write the teacher personal information. Write the full name, for example is Severus Snape. And write the subject or department he is teaching. Now, write the school name. In this case is Hogwarts School. After that, write the address of the school. You need to mention the city, state, and zip code. Now, you may open the apology letter with Dear Mr. or Ms. followed by the last name of your teacher. And now, in the first paragraph, you can introduce yourself first. Your teacher has a lot of students, so it is a must. You can write that you are a student of the teacher by mentioning the subject as well as the section of the class. In the second sentence, you can continue to tell the teacher why you are writing this apology letter. Mention the date or day when you made mistake. And tell your teacher what the mistake is about. In this case, the student forgot to bring the biology box that should be used for experiment. It is very important that you show your sincere apologies here. Moreover, when the mistake is crucial, like it should be a part of the exam just like in the example. So, the goal you are writing this letter is to ask for a second chance from the teacher. And write how you tried to fix your mistake. In this case, the student tried to bring the box yesterday. But, he or she made another mistake by not bringing it to school today. So, the student made the same mistake twice. Again, you really need to convince the teacher how sincere you apologize. And beg the teacher for the second chance. You need to promise the teacher that you won't make the same mistake again. And, the closing paragraph, write again that you apologize. You need to make sure that the teacher understands how sincere and serious you are in apologizing. Therefore, write powerful sentences. The sentence that can move your teacher's heart. And finally, you may close the letter with best regards. Write the signature and your full name. In this case is Draco Malfoy. And write your class. For example is Slytherin class. And write also your student number or any code relate to it. So, that's how you write an apology letter to teacher step by step. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you for watching. See you soon.